tikman po natin yung kanilang siomai with fries. Fries with siomai. Ito po, yes. Ito po. Tsaka meron na siyang juice. Nesty juice sa baba.
Wow!
Yes. Yeah. Tapos barbecue flavor po ito siya. Ang fairness, masarap. Mahaba at masarap. Okay po. Mahaba at masarap yung fries niya. Tikman natin yung siomai. Fried siomai na siya.
Super sarap siya, in fairness. Tara, tikman nyo na. Tara na, pakali na kamo.
Hi guys! Subscribe to MacJude's channel. Yeah. Please subscribe to MacJude's channel. Subscribe to MacJude's channel. Subscribe to MacJude's channel.
Guys, please subscribe to MacJude's channel. Yan, subscribe kayo guys. Nahantay ko na lang.
Hello guys! Please subscribe to MacJude's channel. Subscribe!
MacJude's channel, sana ipapatuloy mo yung mga vlog mo. Kaya more viewers and God bless you.
Hi guys, follow Summer Latest Sprite and MacJude TV. Thank you.